Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. Today I'm sharing an easy and fast folio tutorial. This is a basic folio construction that uses two 8.5 by 11 pieces of heavy-duty cardstock and papers from the Graphic 45 Love Notes collection. This folio measures 6.5 by 8.25, and it's a 1/2 inch deep, plus this is a part of a larger project that I'll reveal in the days to come. I begin by trimming two pieces of cardstock at 8.25, holding them vertically on my paper trimmer. Next, I score one piece at 5.5 and then 6, and then the other piece at 4.5 and 5. I then fold along the score lines and use my bone folder to make sharp crease lines. And with some wet glue, I apply one piece over the other, leaving a 1/2 inch from the edge. I do this for my scoring board to help me score out the pieces. Plus, I can clearly see the 1/2 inch from the edge of the first piece of cardstock. Next, I do a bit of eye measuring to trim my papers, and for this folio mini album, I'm using the Graphic 45 Love Notes collection. I also use the Colorbox Graphic 45 Decades ink to ink around the edges. The color that I'm using throughout this mini album is called Photogenic. I do the same to the rest of my Graphic 45 folio mini album. Before I apply my last piece of paper, I make a closure using a chipboard piece from the Graphic 45 Love Notes collection, a brad from my stash, and a piece of double-sided tape. With a pen, I mark the spot where I puncture a hole through, and then I add the brad to the hole on the chipboard piece, and then I feed it through the cardstock. From our scraps, we trim 4 pieces of strips that measure 8 by 3/8 of an inch. We then apply these to the spines of our folio mini album using some wet glue.